Clean a car seat with me today. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a CPST, and I got this car seat out of storage and realized that I didn't actually clean it before I put it in storage. So let's take care of that and talk about safe cleaning methods today. Some of the things I'm going to do with this car seat may be different than what your car seat's manual instructs you to do. So step number one is always going to be read it before you need it. Read your manual's cleaning instructions before you find yourself in a gross situation. It's way less stressful that way. Next, you're going to assemble your supplies. Here's what you may want to have on hand. If your car seat's padding is machine washable, you want mild detergent. That typically means a detergent that does not have any bleach, OxyClean, fabric softeners, or other additives. Then you're going to want mild soap to use on the shell and the straps. When we say mild, we mean something that is neither acidic nor basic. It's not corrosive and it's not caustic. A neutral pH is what we're looking for here. Some good bets on that are standard Blue Dawn dish soap or that mild yellow baby wash. What we do not want are harsh cleaners that are too acidic or basic, too corrosive or caustic. Those can weaken and damage the fibers of your harness straps, your latch strap, etc. So no vinegar, no essential oils, no bleach, no standard household cleaning spray here. Keep it gentle and neutral. Remember that neutral and natural are not the same thing. You'll want a bowl to mix that gentle soapy water in. You'll want a separate cup for plain warm water with no soaps or anything else in it that's going to be used for your crotch buckle. A vacuum or dust buster, especially one with a crevice tool, is super helpful. A few cleaning rags or sponges, and a popsicle stick or a flathead screwdriver that you're going to wrap a cleaning rag around to reach down into the crevices of your seat. Ready? Let's go. Take a video of yourself removing the padding from your seat so that you can reference it when you go to put the padding back on. If your pads are attached with little plastic strips that look like this, yes, they do come out. Give them a good tug from the center of the strip. And don't lose them. Be gentle when removing the head pad so that you don't break the foam. My seat's manual says I can machine wash on cold delicate and drip dry, so that's what I'm going to do. But not all seat covers can be machine washed. Some are hand wash only, so always read your manual. Now I'm going to work on the shell. Start by vacuuming up crumbs or other dry, loose material. When I turn this on, my dog's going to start barking because he thinks vacuums are trying to eat me, so sit tight while I do this real quick. Okay, done. Now I've got that cleaning solution ready for the shell and straps where it's just water with a drop of that gentle, mild soap. We're going to take that damp rag and we're going to wipe down the shell. Wipe down your cup holders if they're not removable, all that good stuff. We're going to get in all those nooks and crannies. Remember, you got that popsicle stick. You're going to wrap your rag around it and use that to get down in the crevices of your seat. Super helpful. Remember to adjust your recline so that you can get down in the base underneath where the child sits. Got my shell cleared out. Rural King popcorn, that's all I'm going to say about that. Now I'm going to get a new rag with the same soapy water. It's squeezed out so it's just damp. And I'm going to get my harness straps. Just wipe them up and down. We don't need to soak or saturate them. We're just wiping them off. Get your chest clip and your crotch buckle tongues while you're at it. Same thing with your latch strap and top tether if they need it. Remember, we're not saturating them. We're just wiping them down with that damp rag. If you've got some serious odors that you're working with on your harness, set your bare car seat in the sun for a few hours. Helps a lot. If your crotch buckle is gross or sticky, this is where you're going to get that cup of plain warm water. No soaps or anything in this water. And you're going to turn your crotch buckle upside down and dip it in the water and kind of swirl it around a little bit, but we're not dipping the strap in the water, just the buckle itself, and swish it around to get rid of sticky juice or dislodge any debris that might be hiding in there. Then you're going to dry it off and reattach it to your car seat's shell according to your manual's instructions. Boom. Then you're going to let your shell and straps dry while you're waiting on the padding. When your padding is done, sometimes the manufacturer allows you to put that padding in the dryer and sometimes it's drip dry only. So it's really important to read that manual and find out. If your padding is drip dry only and you need it ready a little faster, sandwich the padding between layers of towel and roll it up almost like a Swiss roll and squeeze it to get the excess water out. Then hang it up to dry in front of a running fan. Then when it's all dry, go back to that video that you took of yourself taking the padding off to remember how to put it back on. I hope that helps somebody out today. I know that was a long video. Thanks for sticking around. Always read and follow your car seat's owner's manual for safely cleaning your car seat without compromising its integrity.